Okay, so we're at the Venetian today. So we got quite a few people here, so we're going to kind of take a walk around a little bit and kind of see what we can all see. And a couple of things real quick. We got gondolas, and it's actually like full-on tourism again. So we see lots of that. There's some gondolas as well. So what we're going to do is walk along the waterfront a little bit and head down that way. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like today in April 2023, Easter weekend. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're going to show you there's lots of tourists around. We're going to try to see if we can see some performers and also some gondolas. And there should be around today, because look at all the people today. Tons of people around everywhere. That goes all the way to Londoner and also goes to Parisian as well. So there's a couple casinos there. I think what we're going to do is we're going to go down this way. Here we got lots of people everywhere. Oh, that one goes to the other two casinos. So basically the three casinos, Londoner, Venetian and Parisian, they're all connected. So you can take overpass to any one of the three. Try to capture some of the scenery here. It's kind of crowded. Let me just see here. Let's try to capture some of the scenery so you can capture it a little bit. Also got these nice lightings too, right? Lanterns. Look how there's a lot of lanterns as well. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this way. And we'll just kind of see what we can see here. Yeah, we got kind of a long stretch here. We're not near the water now, so I guess I should have walked on the other side, because the other side would have more water access. But we're already committed to this direction. Lots of people in here today. Let's see, I think maybe we'll go over the over this thing right here. Any gondolas? There's a gondola right there. And there's the other one. But I don't see any musicians today. At least not in this space. There's a lot of people on that side though. Okay. Oh, the restaurant's closed. Oh no, this is not a restaurant. I think there's some of these that have like water. Some of them have different storefronts in these little areas right here. This particular one, I can't remember. Looks like it maybe is closed at the moment. I hope they make a nice restaurant so you can sit outside. There's another one that's just like a kind of a makeup store, but I forget which one is set up in which place. A lot of the people are over on the other side. It does look pretty cool though. Actually, there's parts of Macau that look a little bit like this. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down, kind of getting a nice taste. I'm surprised we don't see the gondolas though. So yeah, it's actually Easter weekend as well. Maybe we'll try to walk around a little bit and see if we can get as much taste of Venetian that we can get here. Okay. I think there's also a food court that we could take the camera towards the food court, which might be interesting as well. Let's see. I guess we'll go towards the food court. So the food court is directly up that way. What's interesting about the food court is that during COVID, it was hardly anybody there. It was so strange. But before COVID, it was like you cannot find a seat anywhere in there. You'd have to sit with other people. So we're gonna see what it's like today, and I'm gonna guess it's like every seat is full. We'll find out in a moment though. Let's see. Alright, so the food court's to the left. And let's just kind of see. Here it is, right here. It looks pretty crowded to me. So we're going to try to walk into it a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty full. It's all the way down there. So let me just see here. I think we're going to walk into here a little bit and try to go this way. Yeah, this is the way it used to be, where it was completely full. And you'd have to try to sit at a table with somebody else. Okay, so we're going to look at some of the restaurants over there. I have done some videos too where I've kind of looked at some of the restaurants in detail. But today, I'm not going to do that today in this video. Castizo. But in general, you can just see it's busy. Okay. Castizo is kind of a Macanese one. They got it everywhere. In Macau. Let's kind of show you this real quick. There's tons of people going down there. Okay, just spit in the garbage. I don't see that. I haven't seen that. I guess that's really common in mainland. I don't see it. I didn't see it at all during COVID. Okay, so let's go into here. We got other tour groups. So the tour groups. So the red hats are tour groups. Okay. And sometimes I'll have performers over here. I don't see any today. So yeah, that's where they'll usually have performers. So let's go over where that gondola is at. So kind of walk along a little bit. So this is where they'll have gondolas over here. But it looks pretty crowded as well, so I don't know. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's a little bit of a taste for Venetian. It's Saturday, it's Easter weekend. There's a lot of people around in Macau this weekend. Actually, ever since COVID restrictions were lifted, it's just kind of full on. Anyways, we go around the corner here, but we'll just... Okay. Stop here. Okay, they got a show now. So we're gonna try to capture this little scene right here. Right when people come in, they'll take a picture right in this space. And there's also some gondolas that'll come in here as well. So just kind of try to capture that. I don't see the gondola musicians today. But anyways, we have lots of other videos of this particular one, so you can definitely see those as well. So I'll link at the bottom. I'll have a bunch of other Venetian videos, tons of them. So you can just keep going to the end and going along the last 4 years of this channel. I have tons of. So sometimes I film outside, sometimes I film inside, sometimes I film downstairs, sometimes I film gondola stuff. If there's any kind of action. So anyways, at least you're getting a taste for the Venetian. And we're going to be kind of making it short, but you can definitely see there's all the tourists are back. It's tourism is back. Tourists, COVID is over. It's Easter weekend. So, all right. Just gonna go through here before we close the video. There we go. So let's put it into it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.